What's up, dudes? Hey, I just finally popped my cherry of forced induction. Let me show you this. I mean, I haven't really popped it because it's not on the car, but I kind of popped it. Just let me show you. Another junkyard day, fam. I'm hoping what I want is here. If it's not, you know, it's not meant to be. I even drove the car that I want to throw it on. I ain't gonna be mad at it. I ain't gonna stress. I ain't gonna ruin my whole day. If it's not here, it's alright. There actually is another one at another junkyard, but we'll see. Right now, I'm gonna shoot in there and see what we got. Okay, there's another Supercharger down the street or so, but I'm not sure if I should take this one. It kind of looks like it's been tampered with, like painted and silicone everywhere, and it's just, I don't know if it's in good condition. I don't know how I can tell, but I'm thinking about taking it off or going to the other one, because the other one is just like damn near. Someone sent it to me and it's full complete. I can't believe I'm being picky at a time like this, but I think I'm gonna leave this one here. They don't look like they're so in high demand because they're not like super tampered with. I don't think a lot of people like Jags, just like older fellows. So I'm gonna just leave that one because it's missing throttle body, and I'm just gonna go to the other one because that one's fully complete. Second junkyard of the day. Gotta find Jaguar. Ooh, Jaguar's there. Jaguar's there, and it looks complete. Yay. I swear, if the throttle body's gone on this one, we are good to go. Fuck your fans. Hell yeah, boy. I'm gonna spend like maybe an hour. Solid. I'm gonna cut the belt and make sure I don't got no play. It's crazy because I literally was saying like my dream, not my dream, because I'm gonna stop dreaming and just do it. Okay, it has a little bit of play. I guess it's gonna need a rebuild, right? I wanted to go this route because this route is way less common. There's one on the internet, and the guy that has it, the car looks fucking great. Another thing I want to share, I used to live at the junkyard, man, but like one thing about broke boys like us, you live at the junkyard, and the junkyards come in clutch because it helps your hobby stay alive. But like the older I get, the harder it is to find car parts in the junkyard, which is kind of a bummer, man. Because this is what kept my cars going back in the day, and now E34 is starting to be like scarce, which is wild. You think this is gonna be a swag setup, or should I just like? I kind of want to turbocharge, but who knows how hard that one would be. I think I'm gonna be here for a while. This shit just looks pretty like complicated. So yeah, get back to you guys. Moment of truth, guys. I've been working at it for like at least 30 minutes. Fuck. Oh my god, this thing's heavy. Sucks in air, right? This is wild. First ever forced induction. What? Who put this? What's up, Stashies? Your boy just pulled the Supercharger out. I mean, that shit was heavy, bro, and it's like a lot of shit. I don't know if it's gonna fit under the hood, but if all comes to worst, I'll just sell it on the internet. Maybe someone else knows what to do. But guess how much? Comment right now on how much you think it is. Oh my god, with a Supercharger, this thing's gonna be bitching, man. Alright, NA Supercharger. Yay! It was pretty cheap. It was pretty cheap, but I kinda had to put some stuff in my shoe. Just because it wouldn't fit in the cart that I was shopping in. Just in case if you didn't know what's going on, or if you didn't know what I got, this is from a Jaguar Supercharger. I'm not sure the exact years, but I think it goes somewhere from, I think this one was off of 97, and it goes all the way up to 2002. But let me pull it off and show you what I'm working with. The only problem with this damn Supercharger, since it's like a root style setups are typically heavy as fuck. This thing is like at least 80 pounds or some shit. These are the intercoolers right here. And then you got your intake manifolds right here. Then I gotta buy the adapter that goes from that. That's gonna go on the V8. Here, this is the magic right here. An Eaton M112 Supercharger. You can't tell me that's not bitching, this big ass V8 stamp. Alright, so after I open this bad boy, after doing a little bit of research, I found out this is like the Teflon coating. And I don't want to be all picky and shit because I want this thing to run pretty quick. So I'm gonna just strip that coating off, order a new assembly, and wait till that come in and then rebuild this. For sure I'm gonna replace the bearings and all that, but just the rotors on there, I'm just leaving them like that. Just run them. Strip the Teflon coating so it don't fall into the pistons though. Not wear on the rotors itself, so I think we are good to go. Yo, I want to talk to you guys about different setups because I could have went different routes. It's just the simple fact that like this thing popped up pretty cheap, and let me share with you other Superchargers if you guys don't know. There's a dine-in one that they make for E34s, and there's a VF Supercharger that they make, and those two are basically centrifugal superchargers. Those are the two most common ones that I've seen on E34s. Another supercharger is a twin scroll setup, which is basically like a root style but just evolved and just more effective. Personally, I'm happy I'm going this route. Like I said, it's pretty cheap, popped up in the junkyard, your boy snatched it. A couple cons about a root style: it sits on top and it's pretty heavy, and over time, since it's right on top of the engine, it suffers from heat soak, which is fine for me because I don't know, this is like a whole new chapter for me. So once I get understanding of the whole forced induction, I might do other stuff. And plus, I kind of want to be ratchet and cut my hood out and let the root supercharger just be chilling on top, like my American Muscle bloodline, you feel me? Now that we got that info out of the way, you guys got it, I'm gonna hop back in and show you how it looks. Alright, peep game, this is how it kind of looks. You're gonna have a tensioner coming out for the belt, like right here, once I bought the bracket. But other than that, you just gotta get the adapter kits, and that's gonna go from there to there. What's up, fam? If you guys don't know, OG people know that this is my girlfriend Lena, and I wanted to mention that we are expecting a new chapter in our life. So you just stay tuned, and you'll see in a couple months we're gonna have a little supercharger. Okay, thank you for watching the video. See you guys soon. Like, subscribe, comment, all that fun YouTube stuff. Your boy's hype and about to get it just by getting it. You still there? Well, since I got you, let me just talk to you for a little bit. Gotta make the video a little bit longer just for YouTube to push it. And chances are, if you made it to this part, you're a real one, and you just fuck with me heavy. So let me just show you a little some things that's gonna be in the future video that I'm just gonna show you real quick. $70 clutch line, god damn it. E30 is almost done. I went damn near to Mexico to get the drive shaft. I also got these bad boys. Turns out that they're reps, so I don't know what I'm doing with them. I need to clean up the whole backyard. But yeah, this car needs to be done before I start the 540. I don't want to do two projects at the same time. And the plan with the 540 is to either yank that motor out or just build that one. We're going to do an M60 B44, so it's going to have like a bigger stroke and just higher compression. It might be bad, but you know, it's all a learning process. That's the thing. Like, growing up, I always listened to other people telling me what to do and what not to do. It's like, I don't have time for that no more. I just want to do what I want and find out what works myself, find out what don't work, and then let people know. And even though that it works for me, it might not work for you. You know what I'm saying? We all different folks with different strokes. Let me show you guys my other car here. Set you guys up right there. You guys want me to flex? I'm gonna flex. Yes, sir. It's not my car, it's my neighbor's car. I gotta put the drive shaft on right now. Let me know your thoughts on the Supercharger and anything. Honestly, if you made it this long, comment below or something, you know? I just wanna know the real ones. But like, comment something incognito so the other people that didn't make it to the end are not gonna know what we're talking about, you know what I mean? I kind of want to do another giveaway or something, because the support been unreal from you guys, so I kind of want to support people back, but I don't know what to do. Been working a lot. Check out my knuckles. You see that? Boom, cut. See that? Boom, cut. Starting to be a little bit more comfortable with the vlogging lifestyle, because at first I was trying to like act like I was something I wasn't. Like, I was literally trying to be like I got bread and act like my cars are like the shit and legit and they run good. But man, in reality, I'm just a broke boy from the hood, just trying to play with cars, and cars are expensive, so it's like really hard for me. But with that being said, see you later.